When finding slope from 2 points, you want to use this equation here. It's m, which m is representative of the slope, and that is equal to the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So applying that to our first set of points here, m equals, so we have our x1 and our y1 here, our x2 and y2 here. It's basically just your first point and your second point. So y2 is 8 minus y1 is 4, x2 is 3, x1 is negative 3. So this is going to be 4 over 6, this turns into plus positive, and that will reduce to 2 over 3. Next point, again using that formula, y2, 0 minus y1 is 5, so there's our y's, all over x2, negative 1, minus x1, 6, that's going to be negative 5 over negative 7, and those negative signs will just reduce, so it'll just be 5 over 7. And then finally down here, m equals y2, it's our 8, here's our y values, minus y1. I always use parentheses just to make sure I don't accidentally forget that negative sign. Then x2 minus x1. So that's going to be 10 over negative 6, and that will reduce to negative 5 over 3.